How many days in a week? 7 days in a week. You got it, sweet girl. Sing with me, my loves. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Good singing. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Nice singing, my sweets. Raise your hand if yesterday was Thursday. What day is today? I'm calling on quiet hands, children sitting on their bottoms. You need to be in your square. Kylan, what day comes after Thursday? What day comes after Thursday? Adelia. Friday. It is Friday. My turn first. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. F-R-I. F-R-I. Good job. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Friday, Friday, Friday. Friday, Friday, Friday. I love it. My sweets, how many months are there in a year? How many months in a year? Boys and girls at home, let me turn you. I'm trying a new computer today, and it's smaller, so you can't see as much, but hopefully it works better. We're trying. Tamia, how many months in a year? 12. My loves, you may stand. My loves at home, you may stand. All right, we're just going to do it normal today. Lots of us are sleepy. It's the last day of the week. We're just going to do it normal. Not too fast, not too slow. Ready? Set, go. January, February, nice singing. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Have a seat. Good job, my dears. All right, I need somebody to tell me if yesterday was February 4th. What number will today be and what shape? Now remember, if you want to come up here and help me, your mask has to be all the way up. What comes after February 4th? Thea. February 5th. Sweetheart, this shape has 4 sides that are all the same. What shape is it? Not a triangle. Parallelogram, square, hexagon, parallelogram. Not a hexagon. What comes after the parallelogram? There. A square. Can you come put up my 5 on a square? All the sides are the same. I need a date writer. I only have 1 stick left in here. Kylan, have you wrote the date yet? No. Sweetheart, would you come on up? We're taking turns, sweetheart, so you need to be patient. Okay? Nobody else is frowning and getting grumpy because they didn't get a turn. Everybody's sticks are in here. Everybody gets a turn. Go ahead, my love. Would you like help, or do you want to do it all by yourself? I want to do it all by yourself. Go for it, babe. I'm going to write your name up here since you had a turn already. We're going to make sure everybody gets a turn. Kylan's going to write the date. Oh, yes. Thank you, Vinny. I forgot to write your name up there yesterday. Thanks, Ryan. You're being so honest. Oh, Tamia is watching with her careful teaching eyes. I love it. Handwriting is so neat. Very neat handwriting. She's done with her month already. What comes after your month, babe? You're not done yet. What comes your date? What's the date today, sweetie? What number? A 5. Yep. Top to bottom, my sweets. Nizir and Ryan, can you both turn your bodies this way for me? Oh, she remembered her cute little comma. Now she's doing her year. She's doing a great job. Boys and girls at home, can't wait for you to see it. She's doing really great. Awesome. Very neat. I see 3 other people on here. Bridget, Karina, and Chelsea. Hello, my loves. I have marked all of you present for school today. You guys are doing great. All right. She did a wonderful job. I know it's probably hard for you to see at home, my dears, but if I scoot you all the way close, then none of my kids here at school can see. So you just have to bear with us, those of you at home. All right, let's read the date together. She did a beautiful job. Her numbers go top to bottom. She definitely has an uppercase letter. She did great. All right, my loves, grab your microphones. Get those Friday froggies out of your throats. Here we go. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is February 5th, 2021. Say happy Friday.
Happy Friday.
Say have a great weekend.
Have a great weekend.
Hey, I will. Thanks, you too. I need you to help me count. What number does a 7 and a 6 make? A 7 and a 6. Jordan. Ooh, she said it the way I tell you guys to help you if you don't know. A 7 and a 6 make 76. So 76, count with me. 77, 78. How are we counting? When it says 76, 77, 78. How are we counting? Tamia.
We counted by 5.
No, not by 5. Look, 76, 77, 78. We're just counting by 76, 1 hop, 77, 1 hop, 78. We're just counting by
7.
No, we're not counting by 7s. We would have 7 hops in between. I need you guys to sit on your bottoms. What are we counting by? We're just counting by what, Kylan?
1.
We're just counting by ones. We're going up 1 number each time. 76, 1 hop. 77, 1 hop. 78. So I need somebody to come and finish my pattern. I hope my sticks pick somebody sitting on their bottom with their mask all the way up. Caleb, would you come finish for us? 76, 77, 78. You are watching with teacher eyes. 76, 77, 78. What would come next? Okay. Remember, if you see that if he makes a mistake, you just raise your hand so you can come up and fix it. Okay, what comes next?
78.
Okay. Write that down. And what goes last? Okay. All right. Let's count and see if he did it right. Smart mathematicians always double. All right, count with me. Ready, set, go. 76, 77, 78, 76, 78. And then I don't know that number, 70. Is that correct? No, I need somebody to come up here and help me. Sorry, Tamia. You're okay, babe. If you don't know, where can you look? Where can you look? Ryan. Yeah, right down here in our date tags. You can always look down there. All the numbers are down there. I need help. What comes after 78? I'm going to pick lots of different children to come and help me. Let me turn it down for you guys so you can see. 78. What comes after 78, Prince?
79.
Can you write 79? I'm going to pick somebody else to come up and write what comes after 79. If you're blurting, I'm not going to call on you, because that means you're taking somebody else's turn. What comes after 79? 76, 77, 78, 79. 80. Yes, you got it. Come right 80, Jair. 8 and a cup of tea. Right here. 8 tea. 8 and a cup of tea. Good. What comes after AT? Thanks, sweetheart. You can have a seat. You did great. Good job knowing AT was an 8 and a 0. What comes after AT? Adelia.
81.
Yes, my love. Please come write 81. 81. Good teamwork, you guys. I love it. All right. Thank you, my sweet. 5K. Smart mathematicians always double check. Double check with me. And it's okay to make mistakes because that is how we learn. If you never made a mistake, that means you wouldn't need me to teach you, would you? Because you would know everything. Then you wouldn't need to be at school. So making mistakes is okay. That's how you learn. Count with me, my sweets. Ready, set, go. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 80. Awesome. I need a day in school helper. If yesterday was day number 94 of school, please don't untie your shoes on the carpet. They were both tied, honey. Please don't untie them. If yesterday was day number 94 of school, what number comes after 94? After 94, London, comes? Yes, my sweet girl. And what does a 95 look like? A 9 and a 5 makes 95. Come on up. 95 days of school. We are almost to 100. I need a careful colorer. Now he's here. But you come up, sweetheart. Pick 2 again. All the sticks are back in, so everybody can get a turn. Can you color at the 95th square? I need a day in school writer. Kylan, can you come write 95? And then I'm going to ask you, sweetie, if it's even or odd. Job. Kylan's looking down here at the bottom to see what number goes in the tens place. Good, Nazir. And what number goes in the ones place? Kylan, honey, what number do you look at to know if it's even or odd? Do you look at the first number or the last number at the back? Not the first number. The last number. Can you underline the 5? Draw a line under the 5 for me, my love. We always look at the back number. Nazir, good coloring. Sweetheart, is 5 even or odd? Thanks, honey. You can have a seat. You did great. 95 days of school. Is 5 even or is 5 odd? 5 is odd. Good job, sweetheart. So 95 is odd. Thanks, Kylan. Now, before we do our coin cup, I need a clock helper, and it's going to be hard to pick. My sticks are going to have to do a hard job here. I don't look. I make it fair. I don't look. Hope I pick someone sitting so quietly. Ooh, Tamia has been. Tamia, I'm going to mix up the clock for you. Pick a friend to tell you what time to show, sweetheart. Kylan, what time should she show on the clock?
She is my best friend. 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Ooh, that is perfect. That's what time we get to play with toys here at school. Ryan, you're my digital clock writer. Can you come write 10 o'clock? But you need to pull your mask up, sweetheart. Tamia, way to go, my love. She did great. She has the big hand up to the 12 and the little hand up the 10. Say, great job, Tamia.
Great job, Tamia.
You can have a seat, sweet girl. You did great. Ryan is going to write 10 o'clock. It's okay. Keep going. You haven't messed up. Everything's right. Awesome. Boys and girls, say great work, Ryan.
Great work, Ryan.
Yeah, he put his 10 and then his o'clock, 0, 0. He did great. I need a coin cup helper. There's a lot of them. I hope they fit in my hand. And my coin cup helper is Jordan. Would you come up, sweet girl? Don't worry, I still need a weather helper. All right. Oh my, there are pennies for days. Jordan, how many pennies are you dropping in at a time? Jordan, how many pennies are you dropping into the cup at a time?
1.
1 at a time. My loves, can you count with us? There's a lot of coins to count. I'm going to see if they can all fit in my hand without me dropping any of them. Woo! Barely. All right, count with me, my loves. Ready, set, Go. 1.
2,
Good counting. 3. Hold on. Wait.
5.
Guys, stop. You're not listening. She only has 4 in here. You can't just keep counting. You got to wait and listen for it to hit the bottom of the cup. 4. You can't say 5 until you hear the penny. 5. Okay, you're already at 6 and we only had 4 in here. So you got to be careful. We're at 5. Okay, keep going. Drop them in. Wait till you hear it. 6, 7, 8. There you go. 9. Good. 10, 11. Listening. 12, 13, 14, 15. Don't take too long, Jordan, because now you're playing and you're dropping them. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Holy smokes. Say, whoa, baby, that's a lot of pennies.
No, baby, that's a lot.
It is a lot of pennies. I got a ton of pennies in my coin cup. You need to draw 24 pennies. Holy smokes. If she draws 24 pennies, how many cents will she have? Don't say anything. I want you to think about it. Keep going. You're at 10. Keep going.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Holy smokes, she made it to 24. Now, sweetheart, you don't need to go and write ones on top. That's going to take too long. Only 24 pennies, sweetheart. If you have 24 pennies, how many cents do you have?
24 cents.
Yes, because they're all 1 cent. Do you know how to write the number 24? All right. She said she does. Wow, I see children watching with good teacher eyes, hands in their lap. Oh, don't forget something. Yes. Why did you have to make a cent sign, Jordan? We're talking about money, right? Otherwise, we don't know if you just drew little rocks, if you drew little people's faces. We don't know. But now that you make a cent sign, now we know you were talking about money. All right, sweetheart, cap your marker. You did great. I need a weather helper. Now, if I don't pick your stick today, you know we have math meeting on Tuesday. So I will pick your stick next week. Have a seat, please. And, oh, wait, before I do that, oh my, I'm knocking off all the posters. Before we do the weather helper, we need to make tally marks. Woo, baby. All right.
Baby.
24 tally marks. Can you count with me, my loves? We got to make it all the way to 24. Ready? Set, go. 1, 2, good counting. 3, 4, tally up. 5, 6, 7, 8, woo, 9, tally up. 10, keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14, tally up. 15, keep going. 16, 17, 18, 19, tally up. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Stop. Say, we did it.
We did it.
You guys did do it. You have 4 full 5s and 4 extras. 5, 10, 15, 20, switch, 21, 22, 23, 24. We did do it. Kiss your brains. You guys did great. Now my weather helper is the one and the only Zaya. Zaya, would you go look out the window? We're going to sing for you. You're going to tell me what you predict after we're done singing. Sing with me. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Good singing. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? What do you predict it's doing out there? I don't know. This morning when I came to school, there was no snow coming from the sky. So Zaya, just wait right there. Let's ask our friends, what do you predict? I predict it's... Prince, what do you predict? Can you say it in a sentence for me, sweetheart? I predict it's... So say the whole thing. Yep, say the whole thing. Say, I predict it's sunny. There you go, great. Tamia, what do you predict?
I predict the sun was still cold.
Yeah, even though it can be sunny, I don't know if it's sunny. I gotta see if there's a blue sky. But even if it is sunny, it can still be super duper cold. Yeah, this next week is supposed to be really, really cold, my loves. Terribly cold. Mason, what do you predict? You do too. Adelia, what do you predict? Awesome. Who else is over there? London, what do you predict? Sunny. Everybody says sunny so far. I'll ask two more. Ryan, what do you predict? Could be raining, but if it's this cold, it's probably not raining. It's probably freezing and turning to snow. My last friend I will call on is Jair. What do you predict? Ooh, maybe it started snowing again. Hey, Zaya, what's it like up there? Sunny. There is blue sky. There's a little bit of clouds. I didn't call on everybody, sweetheart, because we got to get to the bathroom and then have snacks so we can do reading. It is a sunny day, even though it's really cold. Right now, our part of the earth where we live is so far away from the sun that we don't get the sun's warmth. We only see the sun's light. So we don't get the nice warmth like we do in the summertime when it's hot outside. So right now it's sunny and really cold. You got it. Let's sing. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. Good singing. It's a sunny, it's a sunny, it's a sunny, sunny day. Well, my sweet helper, what kind of weather has the most? And? Cloudy. They have a tie for the most. And who has the least, sweetheart?
Rainy and snowy.
You got it. Why do they both have the least? They have 0. Say, good job, Zaya.
Good job, Zaya.
All right, Zaya, I want you to come here. Can you put your mask up for me? I'm going to do mine too because we're all going to be standing and counting now. Mrs. Birch gets so out of breath with her mask on. All right, Zaya, you're going to help me look. Who should tell us how we're going to count? So I'm going to tell them all to stand. You watch for who stands so quietly in their square. Okay, ready? Isaiah, who did you see stand so quietly in their square? Who should tell us what we count by first? Jair. All right, sweetheart, can you go back to your spot? You did great, Jair. What should we count by first? Tens, evens, odds, or fives? He says fives. Let me scoot you guys closer at home. You still can't see because of the glare on the board. Well, we're trying. All right, you said 5, sweetheart. All right, count by 5s with me. Remember, for our 0 number, you're going to show me a 0. For a 5 number, you're going to show me a 5. Here we go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
60.
Way to go. You guys did great. I didn't even need to point. You all just kept looking. Smart children. Okay, London, what do you want to count by next? My odd numbers don't want to stay up there. Silly odd numbers. You were counting and looking, sweetheart. So what do you want to count by next? Tens? Miss Johnson's way or normal? Miss Johnson's way. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Awesome, my loves. Jordan, what should we count by next? You're doing a good job counting and saying them with us. Evens or odds? She says odds. Sweetheart, what do you want to do while we count odd numbers? What do you think, sweetheart? 3, 2.
Ballet.
Ballet. So, but there's no spinning because you guys got to be looking. Boys, if you don't want to do ballet, you can stomp. You got it. Ready, set, go. 1, look up here. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Ryan, your eyes were glued right up here on the numbers. You said all of the correct ones. Sweetheart, what's left to count by? We just did odds, babe. The other one. Yeah, by 2 is the even numbers. What do you want to do while we count even numbers, sweetheart? What do you think? Snap. He says he wants to snap. If you don't know how to snap, just pretend. No one's going to know. Make sure you're counting with. Ready, set, go. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Ooh, some of you were saying the wrong numbers because you were not looking. You got to look. So some of you were saying the wrong numbers because you were not looking. Oopsie. My loves, you may have a seat. My boys and girls at home, I will see you for reading at 9:20. Hopefully this computer works better. It hasn't cut out yet. We're hoping. I'm sorry. And if it's fuzzy, just bear with me. We're trying. Bye, my loves. I marked you guys all present for school today. All right. I need my line lead.